5 minutes.
Hey everyone, it's me Bernice. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair without any heat. So for the past week or so I've been curling my hair with heatless curls for a while, and I'm not gonna lie, it's really great, and I got them specifically for an Ed Sheeran concert, and if you want to see that vlog I'll post it here. And I was in love with it, and I've seen these heatless curls all over my social media, from TikTok, Facebook to Instagram. I got some, and I got them for the Ed Sheeran concert. This is it right here. I'm not going to use these ones because they're kind of damaged already. Got these at Marshall's. These are not the ones from Kitsch, unfortunately. I do want to get those, and they're damaged because I overuse these to the point where, like, if you pull on the silk, you can see how hollow it is right there. Some damages, there's no pearls, and she's gotta go. It was really nice using this for a little bit. I also got a recommendation from my friend Jenna, who told me to do hair tutorials, and this is it. She told me to do hairstyles because I just posted on my Instagram stories. So this is for my girl Jenna. I hope you like it, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. My hair is mostly damped. I did use a hair mask. I use this hair mask by Kristen S. It is their reconstructive moisture mask. It's moisture reviving, strand softening, deeply nourishing, and it's sulfate free, and it's good for all hair types, and I absolutely love it. I initially got this hair mask for the sake of my tips that are no longer there anymore. I used to have blonde tips. I'm going to comb my hair and split my hair down the sides because that's what you're supposed to do.
Haven't you had enough?
My hair is parted down the middle, and I'm going to go in with this. This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth. It has marula oil, and it's a 5 benefits in one system, and I really use this a lot. It has anti-frizz, it detangles, it shines your hair, softens it, and tames flyaways. So there's that. I'm going to rub it in. And I'm going to go in with this side as well.
Haven't you had enough?
After applying this hair serum, I'm going to go in with a new heatless curl. It's from the same brand. This is the brand Curly Q. I got this at Marshall, and it's only $8 compared to the original price of $10 apparently. So I'm very impatient. I'm just going to open it. So in this set, you have instructions, a hair clip right here, 2 creaseless scrunchies, and a curling tube. I'm gonna look at the instructions real quick. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. I am going to start off with my right side, which is probably your left, I think. I'm gonna put this right here in the middle. I'm gonna put my left side of my hair in the back so I have some room, and you're going to want to clip the tube so it's somewhat secured. And what you're going to do is take the first front part of your hair like this, at least 2 inches, and what you're going to do is you're going to wrap it forward like as high as you can. Make sure it's fixed. Make sure it's straight. Wrap it around like that, as high as you can. Pull it down like that. Once you do that, you're going to take another strand of hair, and you're going to do the same thing. It's like braiding your hair, or braiding in extensions, if that makes sense. I've never done that, but that's what it reminds me of. And make sure it's super tight also. And I'm just going to keep going with that. wrapping all of your hairs like that, you're just going to wrap it around the tube until it's all the way at the very end. Okay, it's at the end, and I'm going to take one of those creaseless scrunchies and I'm just going to secure it. There you go. It looks like it's not going to be secured, but it's going to. Trust the process. I'm going to take this side and move it to the front, and same thing. I'm going to take the front part right here. Like I said earlier, make sure it's straightened out. Like so. Okay, and just pull it wrap it as high as you can. Pull it down, and you're gonna grab another strand of hair, at least 2 inches, and do the same thing. And once I collect all my hair, similar to this side, I'm going to wrap it around. Wrapped around, and I'm going to take another one of those non-creaseless scrunchies and secure it in place. I just noticed something. I made a mistake. Fix this curl right here, because I have like a piece of like one strand of hair right here, and it really bugs me. So I'm gonna fix this real quick. There you go. So I have it pulled. I have all my hair on one side, and now I'm gonna make sure it's tightened. I'm gonna fix this now. Wrap it around the tube. Fix that real quick. And I'm going to secure it with a new crease scrunchie. My hairs are curled or secured. You're supposed to leave this on for at least 6 hours to get the full result. I'm going to go to bed right now. It's past midnight, and I will see y'all in the morning.
The next day.
So it's the next day. I woke up around 11:30 because I went to sleep around 3 after doing some chores and stuff. I thought these were gonna come out, I'm gonna be honest with you, and after filming myself wrapping my hair around these tubes, I thought this was a little too loose, so I just wrapped it and wrapped it and wrapped it to make sure it's secured. I'm going to take off the curls, take off the clip next. So I'm gonna do this part right here, just slowly unwrap it around, unwrap my hair, and do it on the same side as well. And just slowly shake out the tubes from my hair. So this is my hair. I'm going to comb it out just a little bit. After brushing out my curls, I'm gonna go in with this Garnier Fructis Brilliant Shine Glossing Spray. Obviously, I'm almost out because I use this all the time whenever I style my hair. So I'm gonna just apply where I want some good shine. I need to get more. Other side. After applying that shine, I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Lock It Bold Control Hairspray, just to set my curls in place. I'm gonna go on the other side. So that is the look. I'm gonna put on my glasses now so I can see everything. So that is it. This is, so that is everything. That's how I curl my hair by using little to no heat on my hair. It looks good. It looks like I use an actual barrel, and my hair does look a little bit healthier because I've been using heatless curls. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications for future videos, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!